Okay guys, ever wanted a fun, scrolling way to showcase your collections instead of a plain static grid? Well, this section makes it feel genuinely lively. Today we're adding this Collections Marquee section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link, this takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for Marquee. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section and search for Collection. Then choose that section. It'll be added instantly. First, let's customize the layout. You'll get 3 different options here and you can choose whichever one fits your store best. You can also add a heading and customize its settings too, along with padding, all fully adjustable based on your own preference. Now let's move to the marquee settings. You can customize the logo item size here as well. There's also an SVG placeholder that shows up until an image is uploaded. You can adjust that too. Right below that, there's a bottom wave setting you can customize. Now let's check out layout 2. This one comes with its own set of premium options. And just like before, you can customize the overall section settings here too. Now let's add a logo to the collection. I've got a logo in a decent size ready, and you can add yours based on your own collection. Once you've customized everything the way you'd like, hit save, and this section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.